beautiful people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kirstenelizabeth, if you did not know. And of course, by the title of today's video, I'm doing an easy eyebrow tutorial. This video has been requested so much. It's so easy that your grandmother's great sister's aunt can do it. That didn't make sense. But that just stresses how easy this tutorial will be. You ready to see how you can achieve these eyebrows? Then let's get into today's video. Okay guys, to start off today's tutorial, we are going to need an eyebrow spoolie used to brush through eyebrow hairs. This will ensure that when we put that product on our eyebrows are nice and neat. You're going to brush them in the direction in which they grow, and then we're going to take an eyebrow pencil that matches the color of our eyebrow hairs. I use a dark brown eyebrow pencil, and we're going to outline the bottom and top of our eyebrows. This will ensure that when we go to fill in our eyebrows, we kind of have an idea of what type of shape we are going in with. We are going to then brush our eyebrow hairs down and use the hair outline that we have here to outline the top part of our eyebrows. Now we are going to place those hairs right back into place where they naturally grow in, and we're going to fill in our eyebrows using that same pencil and that same product. You want to try to mimic your natural eyebrow hairs. This way it doesn't look too bad. Because this is an easy eyebrow tutorial, we want it to be natural looking. Next, we're going to use an LA Pro Conceal and use this to clean and define our brows. We're going to take it, you can put it on your wrist, on your hand, on your dresser, or directly on your brush. I like to put a little bit of product on our hands and use that brush to outline the bottom and the top of our eyebrows. A little rule of thumb that I use is I like to start at the back and then work my way up to the front. Concealer is used as kind of like an eraser. If you use something or you mess up something, you can easily take that concealer and cover it all up. Now, as you can see, I am using that product and blending it down, brushing it down so we don't have any clumps around our eyebrows. The worst thing is to have halo brows, people. Now we're going to take a concealer buffer brush used to blend and buff concealer for a smooth finish, and we're just going to brush around the eyebrows. That way we get a smooth, clean finish like I mentioned before. Ooh, y'all, my forehead is popping. Look at that. Glistening in the sunlight. Look at that. Now we're going to repeat the same step on the top brow. Notice that I do not directly start in the beginning of our eyebrow because, like I mentioned before, we want that ombre look. We want it to look natural. We want to have that natural looking eyebrow. You want to carve out the shape that you created. Basically outline your outline. As you can see, this step is really precise, so you really want to take your time with this. Now we're going to take that brush and use whatever product you have left on the brush to take it a little bit further into the beginning of your eyebrow. This will ensure that you have that ombre look that I keep mentioning. It's just nice and more flattering to look at rather than having the box eyebrows. It's not 2016, ladies. We've evolved. And we're going to go right back into that brush and blend the top half. This is most important because you want to ensure that you blend out all of that product for when you put on your foundation. Now that we have that nice eyebrow, we're going to move on to the next one. And we're just going to repeat the same steps that we mentioned before. So you're going to brush those eyebrow hairs in the direction in which they grow. Then we're going to outline that bottom liner. Take it nice and slow. But remember, if you do mess up, we still have that concealer step. So we're going to brush our eyebrow hairs down and then outline the top half of our brow. Now that we've completed that step, once again, we're going to put those eyebrow hairs back where they belong and fill in. Remember to mimic those eyebrow hairs. I like the back of my eyebrow hairs to be darker than the front. Like I said before, that ombre look, ladies, that is what we are going for here. That will give you that really natural look. See, I've created a line to kind of give you an idea of where you want to start putting that product and where you are going to just blend the product in the front of the eyebrow. For simpler terms, we're not putting product in the beginning of the eyebrow. Now we're going to go right back in with that concealer to define that eyebrow. Remember that this is your eraser, and if you mess up, it is okay because we have concealer by our side that will never let you down. Now that we've gotten that taken care of, we're going to start at the back of that line once again and use that LA Pro Conceal to define the top half of our brow. And then we're going to take whatever product we still have left on that brush to cover up that line we've created and create that ombre look and conceal the front half of our brow. On to our favorite step, buffer. You want to make sure that you truly blend that product out, ladies. No halo eyebrows. This is what you do not want. I mean, of course, if this is the look that you're going for, then go off, sis. But if you want that natural eyebrow look, make sure that you blend out all that product. Now we have two beautiful eyebrows. Look at that, ladies. We have that natural ombre look, and it's not too harsh. If you guys want a tutorial using pomade, don't forget to comment down below and I'll definitely get that out for you. But if you have any questions or you try to achieve this look, please send it to me. I really want to see you guys' progress. Of course, if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And hit the notification bell next to my name so you can see the next time I post.